Husqvarna LC121P, 725xe push mower won't start. Just replaced the magneto coil, but still no spark.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. You will notice an automated offer for a phone call. Please keep in mind that this offer is only optional and is not always needed. If you prefer to chat, rather than talk on the phone, please disregard this phone call offer. Thanks. I would like to ask you some troubleshooting questions as we go along. Did you set the gap between your flywheel magnets and your magneto? We can continue from here. Thanks again.
I used a business card to set the gap, haven't tried this before, just saw it on YouTube.
Thanks for your response. A business card works just fine. There is a small wire that attaches to your ignition magneto. This is your kill wire. Have you tried starting your engine without your kill wire attached to your magneto?
I've not. Lol, I was thinking it needed to be attached to be able to start. I'll give that a try. I'll be back in a bit.
Thank you. I will wait to know your results.
Disconnected the wire, but still didn't start.
You are referring to your small kill wire. What color is your kill wire?
It's dirty, so I'm not sure of the color. But it's the wire that connects to the magneto.
No problem. Is your new magneto an aftermarket part or an OEM part?
It's an OEM.
Do you have it installed with the correct side facing up? I am just backtracking.
I believe so. One side said cylinder side and I believe I put it down. But I will need to double check it. Verify the proper side up for me if you don't mind.
No problem. I can wait for you.
39. This side out is showing.
Thank you for checking. Is your engine a Briggs and Stratton engine?
Here's all the specs. SN0104180028866 and #FR730 VA 61704, 17092258 18788. Engine model 104M020002F1.
Thanks for this information. Keep in mind that the only parts that work together to produce a spark are your magneto and your flywheel. After you disconnected your kill wire, this eliminated your kill switch as possibly being at fault. Process of elimination. Have you checked the strength of your flywheel magnet?
It takes quite a bit to pull the magneto off of the flywheel once it attaches.
That eliminates your flywheel as a possible fault. What method are you using to check your spark?
I'm laying it onto a couple of different metal parts where it can reach. I've even tried spraying some starter fluid in the air intake. After a couple of pulls it does make a feeble attempt to turn over, but not very convincingly. It also seems to have a different sound when pulling the starter rope, almost a strange suction sound that I don't remember it having. Could just be my imagination.
Click on this link below. It shows a method you can use to check your spark. https://outdoorpowerinfo.com/repair/Briggs_125ko2_ignition.asp Scroll down to number 7 Spark Test, click here.
I've run out of time tonight to go further. That link is good. I've always been leery to hold the plug wire. I'll double check that in the morning. But now I'm thinking I need to check the flywheel key. Forgot about that. I've had to replace it once before when the blade broke loose. It about broke my thumb. It was so out of time, it kicked back. Is it possible for it to be enough out of time to not start and also not kick back?
It will be good to check your flywheel key just to be sure. If your flywheel key is okay, then it is possible that your new magneto is bad. When performing the spark test, you can use a screwdriver to hold your spark plug against your engine.
Will it help if I use you tomorrow? I'm not sure how your pay works in this system. If I want to continue with you tomorrow, how do I go about doing it?
Is this an OHV engine? There are no additional fees for us to continue tomorrow. We can work together for as long as needed at no additional charge. We just need to be 100% sure about if you are actually getting a spark or not.
Tomorrow afternoon I'll be able to verify the spark and the flywheel key. Thanks, good evening.
You are very welcome. Take your time.
I'm back. The plug has a spark. I haven't checked the keyway. Will the plug spark if the keyway is broken? I found out the sucking noise was from the choke being stuck open. The spring is weak on the arm.
Thanks for the follow-up information. Do you have some carburetor cleaner in a can?
I think I may still have some. Will I need to take the carb off, or is there an easier way to use it?
You will not need to remove your carburetor. Spray a small burst of carburetor cleaner directly into your carburetor to see if your engine will start up and run briefly.
Great. Should I spray it in the air intake till it's full?
No, just a quick burst into your air intake.
Okay, I'll be back.
Thanks.
No go, didn't even make the usual attempt to start.
Thank you for checking. I am believing that your valves are out of adjustment. Have you hit something with your blade and possibly sheared your flywheel key?
This is the first time starting this season. Last season I learned how easy it is to shear the keyway. My kids must have hit an ant bed, sheared the blade holding pins, that's when the engine kicked back bad. I repaired that and finished the mowing season. I'll go check the keyway again, I haven't yet. I was thinking since it had a spark the keyway was alright. I'll be back in a bit.
You can still get a spark, even if your flywheel key is sheared.
Okay. I pulled the flywheel off thinking the keyway was below it. So, I'm not sure if it was still in its proper place before I took it off. The key looks to be good and not broken.
Thank you for checking. Make sure you get the nut/bolt tight enough after you replace your flywheel. You have checked everything basically. I am still leaning toward your valves.
I have it back together, tried it, no go. I tried another squirt of cleaner and it isn't acting as engines usually do with this, it really doesn't try to start at all.
We will know more after you check your valves.
Okay, I'll be back in touch later. Do you happen to have the valve clearance spec? Thanks.
Here are your valve clearance specs. I would set each valve at 0.006 intake valve.004. 008 in exhaust valve.004. 008 in.
Great, I've never done this before, didn't realize I could till I looked it up. Smile. I'll be back in touch when I get finished.
Very good. I do believe you can do it.
Set the valves, it eventually started and running great. Thanks for the push on the valves, great lesson for me.
You're very welcome. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.